Now our last and final crockpot recipe is chicken and stuffing casserole. This is one I've been making for so long. It's been on my dinner rotation list for years now. So I'm just going to start off by again spraying my crock pot and then adding in 2 to 3 chicken breasts. And then I'm going to take a bag of stovetop chicken stuffing and place that in there. You're also going to place 1.5 cups of water. And then what's nice about this is you can add some variation. So this time around I did a can of drained green beans, but I also will switch it up and do drained corn. You could do drained carrots, whatever you please. I really like it with corn, but this time I did green beans. And then I'm also going to top it with a jar of chicken gravy. So I've made this before with cream of chicken, and let me tell you guys, using the chicken gravy is so much better than cream of chicken. It's how I've been doing it more recently. But then I'm just going to pop this on high for 4 to 5 hours. I'd usually do low for 6 to 8, but I'm really bad at forgetting to put my recipes in until last minute, so that's why I'm always on high. This is a little bit waterier than I would like, probably because I did it for less time, so I popped it in the oven on low broil and just let it crisp up a little bit, and this is what it looks like. I shred up my chicken. You could put breasts in with the stuffing and the green beans so it's not as sloppy looking, but I don't even care that it's sloppy looking, you guys. It is so good.